The Hanna Ranch 198 is an amazing ranch that sports a 4-bedroom, 1 1/2 bath home, a large enclosed barn that can be used to shelter equipment, steel working pens, 5 stock ponds, and 4 pastures. The fencing is in good condition and open pasture covers about 80 to 85% of the ranch, with some wooded areas for cover and wildlife habitat. Located on a county road, this ranch is about 1 hour and 15 minutes south of Tulsa, Oklahoma. The terrain is very gently rolling with sandy loam soils. This ranch is productive as well as aesthetically appealing. Call today to view the Hanna Ranch 198.